GCash the problem, the part 2 this video, and the changing the other devices, the problems, some things and other devices, the error problems. The GCash has unlocking boards the error problem, but reason to update it the step by step, the resolve the issue to watching and properly the guideline updated. Open the settings, selected the search settings and searching the build numbers BUI. Open the settings abouting as B build number and keywords versions and build numbers. Type the complete as B password. Password the complete you have be just more. Second step the build number completed. Second step. Second step, open the setting manager. Setting manager and desktop openings opens. The USB memories of the selected the OK. Allowing the OKs. Allowing and completed the open the GCash app has been updated. The second step, the officially the extruder handle the GCash app team has been shared error problem. The officially the